Okay, in this video I decided to make it to show and prove people that it's really bad idea to leave the CD in the CD reader, in the CD drive. For example, right now there is no CD and you can see it's quite solid. Nothing is floating, so there's basically this is a transfer mode. Now see what's going to happen if you insert a disc. The disc is in, right? Now see this? It's in the floating mode. What happens is, for example, this drive is already broken. The shock absorber right here, the shock absorber, not easy to see. So it's over there. So it's supposed to be connected to that rubber piece right there, but it's not because it's broken. What happens is when they drop it, that thing moves too much, and it basically breaks off from that mount. And what happens is, look, when you drive it, most likely it's going to be skipping tracks because it wobbles too much. See, this is not normal. It's supposed to be like on this side. There's another one. See, this one is pretty smooth and floating, and this one is not that smooth. So basically, let me just disconnect it for a second. Okay. See, here it is. This is what happens if you leave the disc inside. And when the disc is out, like I said, everything is going to be quite. I mean, the CD is still read CD, but while you're driving, it's going to be skipping lots of tracks because the shock absorption mechanism is broken. So see, this is transfer mode, so it's solid. All right. So good idea if you send the unit, make sure that CD is removed. The DVD drive is a little bit better, so it doesn't break the mounts over there if you drop it. At least I haven't seen it. It does other things. It breaks like some springs, coils, whatever. But at least mounts don't get broken. But the CD drive is really common to see this problem. All right. Okay. Next video I'm going to show you how to remove the disc without, even if you don't have the power. Okay.